Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful camper comes equipped with an awning, outside shower, stabilizer jacks, fire extinguisher, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, refrigerator, bathroom toilet, LP leak detector, 3-burner cooktop, bathroom tub shower combo, living area sofa, carbon monoxide detector, stainless sink, double step entry, decorative wood plank flooring, booth dinette, solar power prep, queen size bed, 2 beds, smoke detector, outside gas grill, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.